Hello student, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English and today we're going to learn polite word in English grammar. This is your chapter number 12, polite words. So student, at school we not only learn books, we also learn good manners. We learn to be polite with everyone. We learn to wish everyone. And we also learn to talk softly with the peoples. So, at school, we learn the four magical words sorry, thank you, please, and welcome. So, student, today I will teach you how to express polite words in any different situation. Do you know that you have to use this polite word with your friends, family, and classmates? In today's video, we have to learn about the polite word. So first of all, now tell me, how do you greet your teachers in the morning? Do you know what should we say to our teachers in the morning? Yes, we have to say good morning. Okay, what will we say? We have to say good morning to our teacher. And second, what do you say when you want something from your friends? What will you say? So you have to say, please give me a pen, a book. What do you want? Okay, you have to use please. Okay, after that, what do you say when your friends give you something? So student, reply me. What do you say? So you should say thank you. Okay, and now today I am going to some pictures to you how to express the polite words. Here you can see there is a please, thank you, sorry. The words please, thank you and sorry are called polite words. So first of all, you can see there is an exercise and you have to fill in the blanks with using the polite words. So first of all, let's learn about this polite word. So say please when you want to borrow something from someone. When we say please, so we have to say please when you want to borrow something from someone. Say please when you ask someone to help you with something. Okay, we should say please. And next word is thank you. So when should we say thank you? So thank you when someone does something for you. So you have to say thank you. Okay, at last, when should we say sorry? So when you make a mistake, then you have to say sorry. So let's fill in the blanks with the polite words from the box. So here you can see in first sentence we say dash when we hurt someone by mistake. So what should we say? Do you know? When we does a mistake, then what should we say? We have to say sorry. We have to say sorry. So we have to fill sorry in the given blanks. So what the spelling of sorry? S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. We have to fill this sorry in the blanks. After that, in second, we say dash when we want borrow something from someone. So what should we say? We have to say please. We have to say please. So we have to fill spelling of please. And now tell me what is spelling of please? P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. We have to fill please. After that, in number third, we say dash when we step on someone's foot by mistake. So when we do mistake, what should we say? We should say sorry. We should say sorry. So in number 3 we have to fill sorry. And what is spelling of sorry? S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. So we have to fill sorry here. Okay. After that, in number 4 There is, we said as when someone give us something. What should we say when someone give us something? So we have to say thank you. We have to say thank you. So in number 4 blanks we have to fill polite words thank you. Next, in number 5, Neera wants a pencil from Suraj. She should say please. She should say please. 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 After that, in number 6, Suraj has an extra pencil and he gives it to Neera. Neera should say thank you. What should Neera say? Neera should say thank you. What the spelling of thank you? T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, you. Thank you. After that, in number 7, Neera's elbow hits Raja by mistake. She should say, when we hurt someone by mistake, so what will we say? We have to say sorry. We have to say sorry. So we should fill sorry at the blanks. Okay. After that, come to the number 8. In number 8, Pooja has brought some candies. She gives some to Neetu. Neetu should say thank you. Neetu should say thank you. So in number 8 blanks we have to fill thank you. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, you. Thank you. In number 9, my teacher is distributing notebooks in the class. She gives my notebook to me. I should say thank you. I should say thank you. In the blanks we have to fill thank you. Okay. What the spelling of thank you? T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, thank you. Okay. After that, in number 10, Sona has lost her eraser. She needs one now. She asks Sue for an eraser. Sona should say please. Sona should say please. So we have to fill P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. After that, come to the more polite words. So here are you are welcome. Excuse me, please. So when should we say these all polite words? Let's learn about this. So in first, when should we say you are welcome? When someone thanks you for something. When someone thanks for something, so we should say you are welcome. After that, when should we say excuse me? When you want someone's attention. When you want someone's attention, so you have to say excuse me. After that, at last, say excuse me please when you want to interrupt someone or ask them to move, or when you sneeze suddenly. So you have to say excuse me please. So I'm showing you some picture and you have to write the correct polite words in given blanks. Okay. So at first, look at this picture. Each picture is a situation. Read and fill in the blanks. Okay. In first, there is a picture of classroom. In a classroom, 2 students are writing. Rima needs a pencil. She asks Hema for one. So what should Rima say? So Rima should say please Hema, not please Rima. First of all, Rima say excuse me Hema, do you have another pencil? So in the blanks we have to fill excuse me. Okay, excuse me. What is the spelling of excuse me? E-X-C-U-S-C, excuse, M-E, me. Excuse me Hema. First of all, she wants her attention. So she have to say excuse me Hema, do you have another pencil? I need one. Then Hema replied, oh, sure, Rima, you may take this. So what should Rima say? Rima should say, thank you. Rima should say, thank you. So in this blank we have to fill thank you. Okay. After that, when Rima said thank you, so what should Hema reply? So Rima should use the polite words welcome. Okay. Welcome. WELCOME, welcome. After that, in next situation, there is on a playground, Rohit and Sameer are playing football. Rohit kicked the ball and the ball hit Sameer. It is by mistake. Okay. So what should Rohit say? So Rohit should say, I am sorry. I am sorry. Okay. So Sameer, I am sorry Sameer. I hope you are not hurt. So Sameer replied, no, I am fine. Okay. So Rohit should say sorry because he hurt someone by mistake. Okay. He hurts Sameer by mistake. So he should say sorry. After that, in third picture, there is Swati wants to go out of the classroom. Pooja is standing in the doorway. So what should Swati say? So Swati will say, excuse me Pooja. Excuse me Pooja. First of all, she wants her attention. Okay. So she have to say, excuse me Pooja. Could you please move a little? I want to go out. So in first blanks we have to fill excuse me and after that please. Okay. I want to go out. So Pooja have to reply, oh sure Swati, I am sorry. I am sorry. Okay. So then Swati said, no, it's all right. Swati said, no, it's all right. And she should also say thank you. She should also say thank you. Okay. So we have to write thank you at the given blanks. And when Swati said thank you, so what does Pooja say? So Pooja reply, welcome. Okay. When someone say thank you to us, we have to reply welcome. Okay. We have to reply them to using polite words welcome. Like this, we have to use this polite word one by one. And also we should learn this all the polite name. Okay. So first polite word is thank you, please, sorry. After that, excuse me, you are welcome, excuse me, please. We have to learn this all the given polite words and we have to write this polite words in your notebooks copy. Okay. I hope that polite words will be clear to you. In which situation what do we use? We have to use this all the polite word in different types situation. Okay students, and now it's over. Thank you.